When we become unbearable in our same daily routine, we want to make some changes in that. Traveling to places can refresh our mind and charge up our stamina. That's why it is a part of our life. But for a good travel, a good backpack is also needed, boss. Otherwise, we may be in problem and can't enjoy the voyage with our full mood. And that's why I am swapnadeep with you to say the secret essential things which need to be packed in your packing bags before traveling. So, let's get started. According to me, medicines are the most important component of your backpack for traveling. For example, you are going to travel a place where you will not get doctors or hospitals. So, what you can do if any health issues happen? If any health issues happen, you can easily intake the medicine that you have packed in your packing bag and be cured in a matter of seconds. Diary is like a friend, no? Yeah. When you will be older, you want to go back to those memories that you have created early life. You can write in diary that what you have experienced in first day, in the second day, in the third day, and so on. So this will encourage your vocabulary as well as will keep you in touch with all types of travel series. And please believe me, when you will be older or when you will just miss that time, diary will help you better than photos or videos that what you have experienced, what you saw, what you felt at the time in that place. Important documents are very much important whether it is abroad travel or domestic travel. For example, you have went up to airport and you miss your passport or visa. So what you can do at that moment? At that moment, you will be in a big dilemma. You have to again come back to home and again recollect the passport or visa and again go to the airport. So, to not go through this problem in reality, you have to keep in mind to take your important documents in your luggage bag whether you are moving outside the country or traveling inside. And nowadays, travel has been more complicated due to what? COVID. Yes, very naughty boy, no? Why? Because nowadays you have to carry with all the negative RT-PCR report, the vaccination certificate and so on, some other documents which will tell you that you are a COVID-free person. I know it that many of you carry extra cloth during your travel, but most of you do not carry an extra pair of shoe. But friend, the shoe play important role in your travel journey. For example, during your travel, if the shoe gets distracted, just think about the hot sand in desert region. You have to walk on the hot sand. What about forest and mountainous region? No one travel there? I know that many of you love to travel in forest or mountainous region. So just think about it. You have to walk on your feet on the wild grasses and plants, and you know that in mountains there are so many dangerous insects. They may bite your feet. So please keep an extra pair of shoe with you to not face that dilemma. Let it be trekking in mountains or traveling in desert. Energy drinks will obviously boost up your stamina. At last, I want to request you, please don't pollute the place by throwing the plastic cans or the steel cans of your energy drinks. And you should also pick up the pollutants which has been thrown by the tourist at that place, which will make the area clean. So friends, we have come to the end of the video. If you like the video, please hit the like option, share, comment and subscribe by pressing the bell icon. So for today, sayonara.